A new Twin Cities testing site hopes to get the state one step closer to the goal of testing 5,000 people a day. North Memorial Healthcare launched one of 5 new sites today. This one is in Robbinsdale. You do not need a doctor referral to get a test. Kate Raddatz shows us who will be eligible to get a test.
It was day 1 for North Memorial's new molecular testing site for COVID-19. Up until this point, the hospital system mainly tested healthcare workers and hospitalized patients at their clinics.
We need people that have symptoms to have easy access to get testing because it helps us prevent the spread if we know who's infected.
This parking lot site behind North Memorial's Health Specialty Center requires that a person has at least one symptom of COVID-19. That could be fever, cough, difficulty breathing, or shortness of breath. North Memorial Health CEO J. Kevin Croston says they were able to ramp up testing due to more supplies.
Through the work of the governor and the Mayo Clinic and the University of Minnesota, they're starting to free up supplies for us.
While the site is made for drive-up testing, there is also an option to walk up if someone doesn't have a vehicle. Croston estimates this site, along with 4 others in the works across the Twin Cities, could get them testing thousands of people a day.
We probably were averaging just around 100 a day, but I would guess we'd be able to get in that, hopefully up to that 2,000 to 3,000 a day.
Croston says proceeding with the other 4 sites will depend on the supply chain of testing equipment. The next site planned to open will likely be in North Minneapolis as early as next week, and another in Minnetonka. Croston says he recognizes some people, even without clear COVID-19 symptoms, may try to get tested.
Please understand that resources are still limited somewhat, and that you're taking what you could potentially be taking away a test from somebody that really needs it.
Kate Raddatz, WCCO 4 News.
You do need a valid ID and you do have to pre-register. The North Memorial location will be open from 8 to 4 Monday through Friday.